Hi everyone, my name is Sam Mpokoza. I am a proactive, fluent, humble young man who is currently an IT technician or IT coordinator at iFundi. After studying at iFundi, I've managed to open my own business with the skills that I've got here at iFundi. I've started my own computer repair business. What I studied at iFundi is IT, but I specialize in technical support. Being from a disadvantaged background, a boy like me, a young boy like me, or a young gentleman like me, I had not known anything about computers. So coming into iFundi, learning about computers and all the system, it has helped me enhance my potential. What really stood up for me is meeting other students from different diversity. Where I grew up from, we are like a bottled community. You only known to one diversity, so you are not exposed to many things. So coming in here, being exposed to different kind of people who had not known anything about IT, but all of us coming together as a team, learning to be a team player, learning to be jingled with other people. That's what really stood up for me. I think what makes iFundi different from other institutions is the interaction between students and the facilitators. When I got in here, I got to feel like the real interaction between me and the facilitator. As I've said previously, I did not know anything about IT or anything of that sort, but the facilitators, they make sure that they take an extra step just to make sure that their students, they understand the concept of what they are teaching, or they understand what they are trying to teach. So that for me, it stood up, or that for me is very exceptional with iFundi, the interaction between students and facilitators. I did not know anything about operating a computer. When I got to iFundi, being presented with a computer or a PC, not even knowing how to type, that on its own, it became a challenge. But as I've said, the interaction between the facilitators and the student was incredibly exceptional. So being from that background whereby you are not exposed to such things, it's quite hard for you to adapt, or it's quite hard for you to get to be on speed when you get to interact with other people. So that for me was very difficult. Yes, I was able to read and write, but not being computer literate on its own was a challenge to me. So coming here, being taught all that, being taught how to type, being taught how to manage your things, being taught how to survey the internet, all that was really exceptional, and it helped me grow like professionally. My next move is to grow in the field that I'm in. I believe that there's so much things that I could achieve with the qualification that I got at iFundi. As mentioned previously, that I've managed to open my business. My business is still small, and I'm still doing the technical support of things. So with me being enrolled in the cybersecurity course at iFundi, I believe I'll be able to use those skills that I've gained to be a very powerful cybersecurity analyst, and to prevent all the cyber attacks that people might be facing.